Today's a big day, December 21st, 2023. So today we've got our precast panels going up that started on Monday. There's the bleachers, that'll be the spectator seating for the pool. And then behind that and down below is the deep end of the pool. That's where we got the slab being poured today. 12 inches of concrete on 12 inches of void form on 426 piers on this project. So pretty massive, impressive project. And this is a big milestone for us. So we're still on schedule for completing the pool in September and likely putting it into operation around October. The pool that we're putting in is called a Meyers Pool. That's the name of the company as well. That's in Italy. It's used in a lot of the Olympic events, that type of pool. It's stainless steel. And the interesting fact right now is it's on a boat from Italy on its way here. So it'll land sometime in January, and that pool will be erected as soon as it gets here.